We went in and did a basically a proposal for them, and that meant a total overhaul because the systems were hard piped together.
Brings Cycle in Wisconsin Rapids is basking in the glow of energy-efficient lighting.
I think the need for the uniform lighting is so that we look more professional. And it was an opportunity for us to then be more energy efficient, but also look better inside and outside.
Brings is one of the 659 projects Steve Zunker and Badger State Lighting completed in central Wisconsin in just the last 7 years.
I'm thrilled to be here to recognize Badger State Lighting and its partnership with Focus on Energy to implement energy efficiency upgrades.
Badger State Lighting sees the future clearly, guiding Wisconsin businesses towards a sustainable energy future. Zunker's commitment to energy efficiency put $430,000 of Focus on Energy rebates back into the pockets of Wisconsin businesses.
Focus Trade Allies are truly integral to the program's success. This year's winners are providing benefits to the state beyond reduced energy consumption and cost savings. Their projects support technology innovation, job creation, lowered environmental impacts, increased competitiveness, and reduced dependence on non-renewable resources. I'm incredibly impressed by the collaboration between Focus on Energy, Marshfield Utilities, and Badger State Lighting.
Steve truly deserves the award that's being presented today. Having known Steve for a long time, I can attest to his tenacity and customer focus. He has consistently leveraged Focus on Energy and his suppliers to benefit his customers.
Zunker says his success is only possible because of his customers and partnerships.
I just want to take a moment to thank all of my customers. I wanted to thank Focus on Energy for the programs that they put together.
We also believe his success is due to his commitment to his customers. Like one business customer, where a simple mistake cost Zunker thousands, but he didn't hesitate to fix it.
And I called my customer and I said, here's the situation. We're off by about pretty close to $12,000. I said, if you'll give me the amount of time that it would take Focus on Energy to pay you those incentive, which is 6 to 8 weeks, I said, I'll give you that rebate incentive out of my pocket. And the customer was floored.
Congratulations to Badger State Lighting, a 2024 Trade Ally Energy Efficiency Excellence Award recipient.